Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 20. Reptiles. Nonavian Diapsid Aminiotes. Let's start. The major synapomorphy that distinguishes reptiles, birds, and mammals from other tetrapods is the amniotic egg, epidermal scales, anapsid skull, endothermy. Correct answer: the amniotic egg. In addition to the birds, this order contains the only extant species from the Archosaurian lineage: Testudines, Crocodilia, Pterosauria, Squamata. Correct answer: Crocodilia. A synapsid skull was characteristic of a group of reptiles called synapsids. This group gave rise to modern reptiles, birds, mammals. No other group of animals. Correct answer: mammals. Cladistic analysis of the amniote lineage indicates that the class Reptilia should probably be abandoned because of the close relationship between the birds and the anapsid lineage. Archosaur, Lepidosauria. Synapsid lineage. Correct answer: Archosaur. The class Reptilia is monophyletic, paraphyletic, polyphyletic, tetraphyletic. Correct answer: paraphyletic. The lizards and snakes belong to the order Testudines, Crocodilia, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata. Correct answer: Squamata. The turtles belong to the order Testudines, Crocodilia, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata. Correct answer: Testudines. The dorsal portion of the shell of a turtle is the plastron, carapace, fenestra, diaphysis. Correct answer: carapace. A kind of bone that makes up long bones of a vertebrate and has a cartilaginous stage in development is called epidermal bone, dermal bone, endochondral bone, embryonic bone. Correct answer: endochondral bone. 3 of the following are true of scales of a fish. 1 of the following is true of scales of a reptile. Select the statement that is true of reptilian scales. They form in the epidermis of the skin. They are composed in part of bone. They are covered by enamel. They contain dentine. Correct answer: they form in the epidermis of the skin. The evolution of this group has resulted in the reduction or loss of the left lung and displacement of the gallbladder, the right kidney, and often the gonads. Turtles, lizards, snakes, crocodiles. Correct answer: snakes. The dash allows an alligator to breathe when its mouth is full of water or food. Secondary palate. Jacobson's organs, pit organs, plastron. Correct answer: secondary palate. All of the following statements regarding reptile hearts are true except one. Select the exception. The ventricle is partially divided in reptiles other than the crocodiles. The conus arteriosus leads to the ventral aorta. The sinus venosus is a functional chamber only in the turtles. 2 atria are present. Correct answer: the conus arteriosus leads to the ventral aorta. Most reptiles excrete dash as their primary nitrogenous waste product: ammonia, urea, uric acid, creatine. Correct answer: uric acid. Dash of a viper's skull allow these snakes to swallow any size prey, even those much larger than their mouth opening. The secondary palate. Movable bones of the upper jaw. Fangs near the back of the jaw. Hinged maxillary bones. Correct answer: movable bones of the upper jaw. The Archosaur lineage of reptiles is shared with members of the class Mammalia, Aves, Amphibia, Osteichthyes. Correct answer: Aves. Which of the following animals does not have a diapsid skull? Painted turtle, flamingo, bull snake, iguana lizard. Correct answer: painted turtle.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details. Unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.